This morning I decided to make a healthy breakfast. First, I chose to cook some eggs because they are good for you and taste delicious. I cracked 2 eggs into a bowl, added a pinch of salt, and beat them until they were mixed well. Then I heated a pan over medium heat, poured a little oil into it, and cooked the eggs. I like my eggs scrambled, so I stirred them gently until they were just right. Next, I wanted to add some fruits to my breakfast for sweetness and vitamins. I picked an apple and a banana, 2 of my favorites. I washed the apple thoroughly, cut it into small slices, and peeled the banana before slicing it too. Fruits make the meal more colorful and are very healthy. I also toasted 2 slices of bread. I loved the smell of toast in the morning. I popped the bread into the toaster and waited until it was golden brown. To make it even tastier, I spread a little butter on each slice. Lastly, I cooked a few sausages. Sausages add a nice flavor to the breakfast. I put them in a pan and cooked them until they were brown on all sides, making sure they were done inside. Sitting down to eat, I looked at my plate. It had scrambled eggs toast with butter, sausages, and slices of apple and banana. It was a delicious and healthy breakfast that gave me energy for the day. An hour after breakfast, it was time for something special. Coffee. The breakfast dishes were all clean. The kitchen was quiet again. Now the sun was shining brighter through the window, making it perfect time for a warm cup of coffee. I got the coffee maker ready, put in water and coffee inside, then turned it on. Soon the kitchen smelled amazing, like a coffee shop. I poured the hot coffee into my favorite cup and sat down. The first sip was so good. It was warm and made me feel happy and ready for the day. This coffee time was my little break to enjoy the morning and get ready for what comes next. It's nice to have these small moments that make you feel good.